How to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account UK on PC. Now first of all, open your Bitget account and head over to buy crypto and click on P2P trading. Now after that, as you can see here, select the sell option because we want to withdraw the money. After that, select the token that you want to withdraw. In this case it will be USDT. Now here select the currency as the currency of UK. In this case it will be the GBP. As you can see, after that you can here sit down on that you want to sell, and after that you can select your bank account from here. Now after you select bank account, for example the Skrill, now you can select one of these providers from here. After you select one of these providers, click on sell next to it. Now as you can see, click on confirm. Now type how much you want to withdraw, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive in your currency. Now after that, click on add payment method, and now select your bank again. It will, in this case it will be Skrill. Now provide the email ID and now after that click save and use. So after that, click on save USDT. In about a few seconds, in about a few minutes, you will be able to receive your money on your bank account. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account UK on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.